Ready to unlock the world of Solana DeFi by connecting Raydium to your Phantom wallet? Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Phantom wallet extension installed in your browser. If you don't, head over to Phantom app and download it once installed. Create a new wallet or import an existing one. Next, navigate to Raydium. This is the official website of the Raydium decentralized exchange. Look for the Connect Wallet button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Connect Wallet. A pop-up will appear presenting you with various wallet options. Select Phantom. Phantom Wallet will then prompt you to approve the connection. Request is a crucial security step. Always review the website requesting access. Click Connect to grant Raydium access to your Phantom wallet. Congratulations, your Phantom wallet is now successfully connected to Raydium. You should see your wallet address displayed on the Raydium interface, along with your Solana balance. You can now start trading Solana-based tokens and participating in liquidity pools on Raydium. Remember to always double-check the transaction details before confirming anything in your Phantom wallet. That's it. You're now ready to explore the exciting world of Solana DeFi with Raydium and Phantom wallet.